Let's perform SCART connection of transformers. The main purpose of doing this SCART connection of transformer experiment is to get two-phase power from three-phase power source or vice versa. So in this regard, by doing this experiment, we are getting two-phase power from three-phase source. The apparatus required for this experiment, two quantities of voltmeters are required, and which are MI type, and the range is from 0 to 300 and 0 to 600 volts. The one quantity of ammeter is required, which is MI type, and the range is 0 to 5 amps, and the connecting wires as per the circuit diagram. So for this experiment, two transformers are required. The first one is main transformer and another one is teaser transformer. These are the specifications of that main transformer and the teaser transformers. And in addition with that, three-phase auto transformer is required, and these are the nameplate details of that particular machine.
Now we are going to see the panel board of SCART connection of transformer. So for conducting SCART connection is nothing but for converting a three-phase transformer into two-phase transformer. So for that we need two transformer, in which one is called teaser transformer, the other one is the main transformer. So to perform SCART connection, we need a teaser transformer such that it has tappings of 86.6% and 50% on both the primary as well as secondary. So you can observe here that this is the primary side and this is the secondary side. So this is the primary of teaser transformer and this is the primary of main transformer, as well as this is the secondary of the teaser transformer and this is the secondary of the main transformer. So when we go to the ratings of the transformers which we are using, you can observe here we are using 3 kVA 230 volts by 230 volts transformers. So when we come to the switches and all, this is the MCB section. So then these are the fuses, these are the 3 output terminals of which gives 230 volts AC output. Then from this, these are the meters of different ratings. So here we need 4 voltmeters and 2 ammeters. For converting three-phase transformer to two-phase transformer, we are loading the secondaries of the two transformer, that is primary and secondaries. So this is the lamp load. By giving different load conditions, we can observe the voltages at different phases, and we can observe what is the resultant voltage across the complete load.
This is the circuit diagram for conducting SCART connection of transformers, and we have seen here teaser transformer and main transformer and 415 volts three-phase AC supply and 4 types of voltmeters. Among those 4, 2 are of 0 to 600 voltage range and 2 are of 0 to 300 voltage range, and the remaining 2 ammeters are of 0 to 10 amps. So let us give the connections as per the circuit diagram.
Now let us see the connections of SCART connection of transformer. So this is the MCB, these are the fuses related to this panel board, this is the AC output terminals, right. So from these AC output terminals, connections are given to the three-phase variac, and the output of the three-phase variac is given to the voltmeter. The connections are made as per the circuit diagram. You can see that across 2 phases we need to connect a voltmeter, right, across 2 phases a voltmeter, and then consider left side one as teaser transformer primary and secondary, and right side as main transformer primary and secondary. So the connections can be made according to this one. See, from 86.6% of teaser transformer primary, connection is given to 50%, and then 0% of teaser transformer primary is connected to Y, and the connections are made as per this diagram. Now let us put on the supply, switch on the MCB, slowly vary the variac until the voltage reaches 415 volts, that is rated voltage of three-phase transformer which we are using here. So you can observe this is the voltage across the one of the phases, and that this one second voltmeter is a voltage across the other phase. So this voltmeter reads the resultant voltage across the two phases. So these are the ammeter readings which is connected in series with each of the two phases. So this is the lamp load setup. So we now will load the each of the two phases and will take the readings across the two voltmeters and the resultant voltage also. So let us put on the loads now. Initially, see, when we put on one lamp load, you can observe that the current across each phase is slightly getting increased and the resultant voltage is also varying. So this is the unbalanced load condition, that means we are only loading one of the phases. So next, if we put on the other load on the other phase, you can observe the voltage across the two phases is equal and the resultant voltage is nothing but the under root of V1 square plus V2 square. So let us increase the load now, and you can observe the increase in the current in series with the phases. So in such a way, go on increasing the loads for different load values. Note down the readings of both the ammeters, both the voltmeters and the resultant voltage.
So by varying different types of lamp loads, we have to note down the voltage and current values, and we have to calculate the resultant voltage by using this formula. Thus, the Scott connection is performed on transformers, and conversion of three-phase supply to two-phase is observed. Thank you.